This one, it's today and tomorrow, and it started, oh, I don't know what time it is, about 45 minutes ago.
Okay. Right here.
Yes. Oh, it's in the house.
Okay. Oh, can't park there.
No.
Right.
We are here.
Yeah.
And there's no lineup, so that's cool.
All right. Let's check this out.
Okay.
Estate sale.
Yes. Hi,
Hello.
shoes off? Sure.
I have a camera on me. Is that okay? I can turn it off if you'd rather. Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
20 minutes later.
Have a good day, guys. So, guys, we weren't allowed to record at that estate sale, but we still got a few good things.
Yep.
Look at this. It's just caked. That is like cigarette smoke and dust.
I'm wondering if it was in the kitchen also. Oh, it's the neighbors bought that furniture, it looks like.
Oh, yeah. Some people were hauling some furniture out when we got there, and it's just at the unit next door. So, we got this awesome yet disgustingly gross glass display cabinet. You got a bunch of
Speaker wire.
speaker wire that you can actually use that to rewire a lamp.
Yeah.
So that's what you're going to use that for.
Yep.
And then once we get in the truck, we'll show them the few other things you grabbed.
Yeah.
I thought you were digging in your bag for it.
I was, but then you were over there, so then I was waiting for you.
I saw you digging in your bags. I was waiting.
And then I was waiting for
Yeah. Figure it out.
you. You got the keypad.
Okay, you got to show everybody what we got.
Okay. Yeah.
And I need to wash my hands
Yeah.
because they're sticky from that
Just give me a second here. Let's settle down.
right now.
Here. God. This is milk glass, and it's got the ring of fire. Like if you hold it up to the light, it looks a bit orange, which is a good indicator.
I can even see it right now.
that
It's in the sunlight.
Yeah, that it's old. It probably doesn't really show up on camera.
Probably
I don't
not.
know, but that's a good indicator that it's an older piece.
Yeah. Oh, that smells good.
I know.
Look at that thing. So Karen had to tell me what that's for, which I didn't know.
You put cotton balls in it, and then you boop, pull them out.
Yeah.
It's his
the
tail.
Cotton ball holder dispenser.
Yeah.
You put them in the bottom.
Yeah. Well, you could put them in. Yeah.
I suppose you could stuff them in the.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is cute.
It's also dirty. But things were relatively cheap at that sale.
Yes, they were. So we got all this
And
stuff
then-
for like $10.
Yeah. So these are it's broken. It's a bracelet, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Terrible. I should know how many Canadian provinces
Of the
and territories
provinces.
there are, and I
think there's 10 provinces and 3 territories now. Used to be 2.
was thinking 11.
I don't think so. So BC, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland. I think that's all.
Labrador,
of them.
Newfoundland. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Yeah. So these have sterling. They're marked sterling on the back.
Nice find.
Yeah, so that's kind of cool.
Just kind of lying in with a bunch of junk.
Yeah. It was, very, like things were just all kind of in boxes still, so you really had to dig. Okay, this one starts today. I'm not sure, it might be on tomorrow too. It had tools, I think, and household and much more, so
All right.
who knows?
Well, let's check it out.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Okay. Let's go see what they got.
All right, let's check it out.
Morning.
Oh, it's a good thing you brought the truck. You can just load everything.
Okay. Throw it in there.
Come on.
You mean a guy that knows how to weld, right?
Yeah.
What a nice day. You guys picked a good day for this.
Yeah.
It was not a like windstorm.
When it was supposed to rain
So
today,
some lady
but
goes,
it's
oh,
like
it's
nice
supposed to be really
skies.
windy today. I'm like,
Shut your mouth.
Yeah.
Do you want to change the numbers?
I was thinking the same thing.
A couple are
Yeah,
correct.
there's a couple that are
aren't. What's this?
just confuse everybody in our neighborhood.
Magnetic door stop. Oh, do you need that?
Oh,
For the upstairs bedroom that likes to swing
sure.
closed.
25 cents each or 5 for $1.
Wow, I can't leave it for that.
Let me come around in there and see what we got
some
going in
knobs.
here.
Those are pretty. Look at those. I mean, 25 cents each. That's not good. I don't know what that is. Oh. I'll get that for $0.25. I still need some stuff for the upstairs bathroom.
Okay.
Look at that.
This looks like it was,
Oh, do we need more gate stuff? They were,
yes.
They were out
This looks like it was,
from a set.
yes, that
Yeah.
you have to put together.
Yeah. Looks like maybe it didn't get put together. I don't know.
Yeah.
We have this, even though I covered up the fan.
Looks like you could use a bag.
Oh, do you have lots? Because I have reusable if you think you want to save that for someone else.
No.
Okay.
Take it.
Sweet 16 decor. I don't think I'll need that.
No? No. You don't want to be 16 again?
I did. No,
Oh,
I don't.
okay.
yes, you put it on me.
Tree support.
It's a cast iron one. It's a really heavy tree stand.
Yeah, they are heavy.
She's got a collection.
Christmas trees or stands?
Both. Like you got seven
I
or
like
8
the
trees.
vintage bulbs, those glass ones, and so I can't stop buying them. So then
Yeah,
I
we get
start
a
buying more
forest
trees. Like,
in the living room
talking
of
about
trees.
mental illness. Well, they're all different sizes, so it's
a big
like a little
house, and it's
forest.
just the two of
kind
us,
in the
so
corner. Like some of them are
we've
just
got the
little
room,
and
but-
stuff, but
That's nice.
I have like 10.
Whatever.
I know, that's right. He doesn't have to help, so I don't know why he thinks it's so funny.
Collects his own stuff. Come on.
Yeah,
Guys
that's
do.
right. You get to live with me. Like, I mean, you're welcome.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ooh, free stuff.
Yeah, like help yourself.
Okay.
This is all free, this corner.
Spray adhesive.
Well, yeah, 'cause-
Oh yeah, you use that.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna put this in here, but you guys just still have to count this and look it up.
But yeah, we still got to pay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I see what you guys are doing. You're
Art of distraction.
Run! Start the car! Well, that's paint. Contact cement. Get that. Now, it's, oh my God, what's this? It's extremely heavy.
It's like full of something.
Paper.
Yeah,
Oh, is it wallpaper? And a glitter?
it is.
Yeah, I'll look at that. Oh, linseed oil. I'm gonna steal all their.
Oh, I can't get that all the way. Oh, it's falling out the bottom too.
Yeah. What's that? Turpentine. Oh, there's a little bit in there. Look at
Wow.
that stuff.
And is there any speaker wire or lamp cord in there? No, it doesn't look like it.
Do you want to put that in here so that the people can see what's in there? Flathead plug. What are you doing,
What? Oh, sorry.
idiot? Don't.
Don't what?
Oh, these are reflectors. Look at those. To go on your wheels.
Oh yeah.
Spokes.
Yep. Were those in cornflakes? I bet.
Yeah,
I bet you those were a toy in the cereal.
Kellogg's.
Yeah.
That's the Kellogg's
The
bird.
rooster. Yep.
Yeah.
I bet you.
Yeah, and this looks like bike things too in there, which we
And
don't.
pedals and
Yeah,
stuff.
we don't do that. The tires. Okay. All right.
What goodies do you have?
Well, I harvested a bunch of free stuff.
You know what, that other stuff, just give me the buck.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you're helping us out.
That's good. I'll use it all. That's awesome.
Did you get lots of goodies?
Yeah.
You were taking that, awesome.
Yeah.
What I did, our entrance was so beat up, like the
Here.
wall, one wall. So I put that on, it's like, this
Double it.
is lovely. Like there's no chips in it.
Yeah. Yeah, she'll find a use for it. I don't know.
Yeah,
She likes
I
putting
love
some on the ceiling sometimes too.
Yeah. We have some.
Oh, you're serious?
Yeah. I'm not even joking.
That's your BS.
No.
We live in an old house, so we have like 10-foot ceilings. So it looks like the tin tiles, like the stuff we have is.
It's not this pattern,
No.
but she's got patterns that are like squares and
Yeah.
almost like almost fancy and Victorian style.
Yeah?
So we put that up there and painted it, and it mimics the old tin ceiling look.
Oh, are you an interior or what?
I love decorating and stuff.
Well, thanks so much. This is
Yeah,
our first
thanks for
garage
all the
sale
treasures.
adventure of the year so far. So and it's a great day.
Way to
So
kick it off the.
Yeah, it was a good one. I didn't want to come and kick your table over because you only had like 4 things on it. I hate that.
inside joke. She always.
Yeah, you had lots of good stuff.
We go to that
so-
garage sale all the way
we're
across
happy.
the city, and they only got 4 things on that table. I'm gonna kick it over.
I feel ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
too,
you
guys.
too.
Thanks so
Take
much.
care. I'm actually a nice person, though.
That's what we like to tell people
I'm a nice, well.
and ourselves.
If you have to tell people that, probably isn't true. Cool.
All right.
Ready?
Yes.